There's a lot of discussion about what really is sustainability. Sustainability for us has been always a core value. When you look at the Dow Jones Sustainability Index, since 2004, we've been #1 for 6 years. I mean, it's a very serious commitment that we take as an organization. But for us, sustainability is more. It is not only important to contribute to a sustainable planet and work within planetary boundaries, it's also good business. The world is changing rapidly, and with that change comes tremendous opportunity. So as a core value, if we can embrace the necessary elements to ensure a sustainable world and brighter lives for generations to come, but also we think it brings opportunity for growth and through collaboration with our customers in the broader industry. People often ask me, why are you as an organization successful? And the answer is actually very simple. It's about people. And it's about people who are working towards creating brighter lives through innovation, people who are working towards creating brighter lives through sustainability, people who are helping ensure brighter lives through good quality. And it's really those three elements that we've worked on so hard for so many years that have made the difference. It's the one thing that can't be copied. Everything else can be copied. Almost everything, every patent, every invention, but people can't. And I think our difference in our success is those things. It's people. Sustainability is really an interesting word, and many, I think, have many interpretations and many definitions. But when you think about it in the broadest context, consumers are looking for it. I mean, it's a consumer-driven thing. And that's why I say many of our most intense and intimate relationships with our customers are ultimately those closest to the consumer. Consumers are looking for solutions that enable them to contribute to a more sustainable world. So yes, it's important to contribute to a more sustainable world, but as I say, it's good business. And there's many, many examples of where we succeed there. We see it in product innovation, in products that are more environmentally friendly, for example, in enzymes, in our agriculture and nutrition industry. We see it in our operations people looking constantly at improved ways. For example, new lighting installations in warehousing with a massive energy saving. The world is a very, very diverse place. And I think one of our challenges here in our industry in North America is we sometimes look at the world with our context. And nutrition is a great example. We look at optimal nutrition, right? We want to run faster, we want our knees not to be so creaky when we're skiing, we want our kids to do better in school, right? It's all about being optimal. What we forget sometimes is how essential to life the products that we make as an industry are. And one only needs to see that in developing nations to know that it's not about optimal nutrition, it's about life and death. I've had opportunity last year through Vitamin Angels, which is a wonderful organization that is distributing vitamin A to impoverished communities around the world, 27 million children last year. It's the difference between blindness and not. One of our associates, who a marvelous and impressive woman, Dr. Shilpa, who works with us in India, called over a little girl, 10 years of age, and she goes, "Now look at her eyes." And you could see these white spots in her eyes. They're almost like scales. And she said, "Jim, this is what it's all about. This girl will go blind very shortly without vitamin A. This is why we're here." And statistically, if you go blind due to malnourishment, there's a 50% chance you die. So we forget sometimes about the essential nature of our products and the great contribution that they provide. What we thought would be as maybe a small motivator is to have a small contest. And we invite you, if you're active in these areas, let the industry know, be heard. And if you're not active, start. And we have a small little fun game for some of the best submissions. We'll recognize you not only with a contribution to Vitamin Angels of $5,000, but also a $5,000 contribution to your organization that you could use to maybe help fund some of your activities towards sustainability in your organization. So we invite you to engage.